Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from Money 2020 in Las Vegas, Nevada. Joining me for this segment, we have Lawrence Johnson, who's Senior Vice President and Head of Fintech Engagement at Morningstar, to discuss why banks are starting to lean into Wealthtech. Lawrence, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to TradeTalks.
Thank you so much.
Why do you think we're seeing this trend of banks leaning into Wealthtech?
So banks are finding great benefits by doing that, by leveraging wealth platforms. The benefits are huge, both in regard to increased margins, retaining assets, and certainly living up to the expectations of consumers and their clients.
Yeah, it's really interesting, the conversations that we're having at Money 2020 and over the years with FinTech. It's not necessarily product driven anymore, right? We're not telling consumers what they want, but it feels like consumers are dictating to financial institutions what they need to feel successful with their finances.
Exactly, you're right. Consumers are coming in with high expectations relating to personalization, for instance. A lot of banks are still making the mistake of confusing personalization with market segmentation or persona mapping. To be efficient in doing that, you need to basically come down, have a better understanding of an investor's needs, have a better understanding of their total financial picture, and you do that through data aggregation. But essentially, banks are uniquely positioned to garner that information and to leverage that data and to deliver better outcomes for clients.
How do you see generative AI playing a role in this?
Well, Gen AI is really giving you the chance with technology to basically bring a lot of these tasks and these functions and simplify the process and bring the client closer to the banker. It's really funny that Gen AI is really creating a lot of shockwaves in the ecosystem. It's as if we're going back to the good old days, just when we thought that we were over with digital transformation. Now we're doing it all over again, but now this time it's across the organization. Right. So you have the incumbents that are looking for new efficiencies, making old stuff go faster and cheaper against a backdrop of legacy systems. And then you have the fintechs that are basically ready to change the world. But all the rules are going to be changing very quickly.
And it's interesting too, it's not like Gen AI, from the conversations that we've had, are going to be replacing anyone. Your wealth manager is still going to be there, your financial advisor is still going to be there. This is just another tool and a resource for them to help better direct your investments, is what I've been garnering.
No, exactly. So you'll be able to do a better job of understanding someone's needs, better understanding of their profile and their relationship to risk, their goals. Deep down, the whole notion of investing is not about just accumulating wealth until you reach the age of 65 and then spending your money. Life is full of curves, and so you got to be able to react and build a strategy that's predicated on the notion that you go through life cycles and that you can manipulate different asset classes. So you have to really work in these two dimensions at the same time, and AI is going to give you the tools to do that.
Where does Morningstar play within the FinTech and Gen AI ecosystem? What solutions are you providing?
So right now, we have, over the last 30 years, accumulated a lot of data, research, tools, indexes. And so Gen AI is really giving us a chance to basically deliver to the consumer the information they want in a much more efficient manner. We're also going to be looking to embed Gen AI into all of our product sets, so that information is going to be readily available by clients. And then we're looking to extend that application into our customer support process. So everyone's going to be well informed and up to date in regard to products, trends, and our research.
All right, Lawrence, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me at Money 2020. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.